Business knowledge, all you need to know about business. Today we will learn how to make high-gloss premium interior emulsion paint. So let's start the video and establish the quantity of material required to make high-gloss interior emulsion paint. What is high-gloss premium interior emulsion? This paint finish is shiny and reflects light in a specular way. This type of finish aids you more when you use a dark or dull color on your wall, as it reflects more light and gives a dazzling appearance. While you use a flat finish of the same color, it absorbs more light and makes the room look darker. Let's talk about its raw material. We will talk about its raw material and we'll know what is the use of that raw material. Calcined china clay powder. Calcined kaolin clay is used as a functional extender in paint. Its hardness also improves physical durability of the paint film and its burnish resistance. Kaolin clay is also used in grounds, such as for painting and for gilding. Calcium carbonate powder. Calcium carbonate is commonly used in a number of paint and coating applications. It is used as an extender, an agent to either reduce or enhance gloss, an extender, spacer for titanium dioxide, a rheology modifier, and as a paint and coating additive to densify the product. Talc powder. Talc increases coverage and weather resistance of the products. The use of talc creates a barrier effect, which limits the penetration of water and corrosive agents into paints and coatings. These properties lead to a reduction in bubble formation, corrosion, and peeling. Extra light aluminium silicate powder. It is used as a white pigment in paints, printing inks, and paper, where it acts as a partial substitute for titanium dioxide extender, while it also increases the covering power and brightness of both paint and paper. Titanium dioxide powder. Titanium dioxide, titanium 4 oxide, is the most important white pigment used in the coatings industry. It is widely used because it efficiently scatters visible light, thereby imparting whiteness, brightness, and opacity when incorporated into a coating. Pure acrylic emulsion. Pure acrylic emulsion belongs to the group of polymer emulsions. In general, the acrylic emulsion is used as an additive for paints and varnishes in order to improve abrasion resistance, washability, and resistance to fungi and algae. Sodium hexametaphosphate. Polyphosphates and, in particular, sodium hexametaphosphate, SHMP, are dispersing agents and can change the distribution of the ionic charges, positive, negative, in soluble compounds. This stabilizes the emulsion, which becomes more fluid. This property is very useful in the paint industry. Monoethylene glycol. Monoethylene glycol and diethylene glycol is used in latex-based paint formulation. These glycols are also used to produce acrylate and methacrylate resins for coatings, adhesives, and paints. Monoethylene glycol is used as a reactant in the manufacture of alkyd resins, which are used in paints, enamels, and varnishes. Silicone defoamer. Defoamer for paint and coatings is an additive that rapidly eliminates foam during paint application and contributes to achieving even coatings that are free from defects. It is extremely important, then, for defoamers for paint and coatings, ink, to both eliminate these defects while offering defoaming properties. Hydroxyl ethyl cellulose. It is a water-soluble polymer, a non-ionic material that serves as a thickening additive added to the production of latex paints. This tends to improve the overall application and effectiveness of the paint. It also bolsters the stability and durability of latex paints. Can preservative. The group of isothiazolinones ranks among the few preservatives that are effective against a large variety of harmful organisms. Furthermore, they can be easily combined to prevent resistance. Isothiazoline ones are used in paints and coatings and also in cosmetic products. Dry film preservative. The dry film preservative zinc pyrithione has low solubility in all the common organic paint additives and also has a low water solubility of 8 ppm at neutral pH. Zinc pyrithione typically provides very good long-term protection in flat paint. Ammonia liquid. Formalin and ammonia. These chemicals are very corrosive and they serve the same function. They are preservative, they prevent the paint from decaying and increase the paint durability. They increase the paint viscosity, i.e. it's a thickener, and also increase paint durability. Pine oil liquid. Pine oil is a colorless to pale yellow essential oil, used in phenol, as disinfectant, in paint as a good solvent, in textiles so that printing ink doesn't spread. In leather industry, to maintain oil loss during drying, and in perfumery, to reduce odor of other chemicals. Let's establish the quantity of raw material to make 100 kg of super, high quality of high gloss premium interior emulsion. Calcium carbonate equals 7.00 kg, talc powder equals 10.00 kg, kaolin clay equals 5.00 kg, aluminium silicate equals 15.00 kg, titanium dioxide equals 25.00 kg, pure acrylic equals 0.500 kg, HEC powder equals 0.300 kg, SHMP powder equals 10.00 kg. Incant preservative equals 0.200 kg, dry film preservative equals 0.600 kg, MEG liquid equals 2.00 kg, defoamer equals 0.500 kg, pine oil equals 1.000 kg, ammonia liquid equals 0.300 kg, DM water equals 22.60 liter. Please comment us and tell us which other products and chemicals you want to know about so we do workouts in that. I hope that the information given to you in the video will be useful and in future you will be able to start your own. Thanks for watching the video. Please, subscribe the video, share the video, like the video.